Let's cook wheat payasam. Take a cup of broken wheat. Add a cup of water and let keep it aside for 2 hours. Take a pressure cooker and add soaked wheat. Add water and cook at medium flame for 10 minutes. Take cardamom, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins and dry dates. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Powder the cardamom and keep it aside. Cut the dry dates into small pieces. Cut the cashew nuts into small pieces. Cut almonds. This is nutmeg. This gives a nice fragrance to Indian cuisine. Cut a small piece of nutmeg and keep it aside. Add 100 gram jaggery. Add a cup of water and let it boil for 5 minutes. Take a earthen pot and add 2 tablespoon ghee. Add chopped dry fruits and fry at a low flame for 3 minutes. Remember to add raisins at the end. Once everything is fried well, separate it and keep it aside. Add jaggery water into the earthen pot. Now add cooked wheat. Mix everything well and cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. Add powdered cardamom. This adds a nice gentle fragrance. Now grate a pinch of nutmeg. Mix everything well. Add a cup of thick boiled milk. Now add fried dry fruits. Mix everything well and cook in low flame for 3 more minutes. Tasty broken wheat payasam is ready to be relished. Thanks for watching the video.